Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when controller is not working with the game on your Windows computer. Now the first step is you can go to human interface device in device manager, make a right click on the start menu and then go to device manager. Now expand human interface device. Now over here if you find any keyboard or mouse driver, you can just make a right click and disable it. So disable if you find Keychron keyboard or mouse, or if you find Razer Huntsman keyboard or mouse over here, you can make a right click and then you can disable it. This is just an example. I don't have that driver over here. So if you find Keychron keyboard, or if you find Razer keyboard, Razer Huntsman keyboard or mouse over here, then you can disable it in the device manager. Disconnect Keychron keyboard or Razer Huntsman keyboard or mouse from the computer. Disconnect its dongle. Disconnect any kind of USB adapter, USB thumb drive, flash drive, dongle connected to the computer. Disconnect Razer Tartarus. Unplug all the flight simming hardware, like if you have HOTAs, wheel, pedals, any kind of USB adapter connected to the computer, disconnect it. Disconnect extra controller connected to the computer. Disconnect arcade stick. Disconnect multiple monitor. If you have any virtual controller like VJoy etc. running, any kind of virtual joystick application installed, you can disable it or uninstall it and then restart the computer and then check. Next step is for Steam users. You can go to Steam, make a right click on the game, go to properties and then go to the controller tab, and you can first of all you can try to disable the Steam input, launch the game and then check. If that does not work, then you can even enable the Steam input and then check. Try both enable and disable, check which one is working fine for you. Now the next step is to non-Steam users. You can add the game to Steam. So you can go to Steam, at the bottom left click on add a game, add a non-Steam game. Now over here click on browse and then go to the game installation folder. So wherever the game is installed, you can open the game folder and select the game exe file and then click on open and then click on add. Now once the game is added over here, now you can launch the game from Steam and then you can check. Next step is to, again for non-Steam users, add EA desktop app. EA app user can add EA desktop app to Steam and then launch EA app from Steam and then launch the game. So for this, again, add a game, add a non-Steam game, click on browse and then open EA, go to this location. In my case it's in C drive, Electronic Arts, EA desktop, and then find EA desktop over here and then click on open and then click on add. Now find EA desktop. You have to close, if the EA app is running on your computer, you have to close EA app, exit EA app, and then you have to relaunch EA app from Steam. Launch the game from Steam and then you can launch the game from now you can launch the game from EA app or Steam and then check. Next step is to launch Steam in big picture mode. So at the top right here you can see big picture mode icon. You can click on big picture mode icon. And once the Steam is in big picture mode, you can now you can launch the game when the Steam is in big picture mode and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to update controller using PlayStation Accessories app or Xbox Accessories app. So if you have Xbox controller, you can open Microsoft Store, type in Xbox Accessories app in Windows search box and then click on Xbox Accessories app over here. If not installed, you can install it and then launch Xbox Accessories app. And then you have to connect your controller using it. It has to be wired connection. You have to connect your controller using the cable, USB cable. So once you connect it, it will detect your controller and then you can click on this more option, 3 dots, and then update, continue, and let the update complete. Once the update is complete, now you can relaunch the game and then you can check. Still now if you have PlayStation controller, then you can install this PlayStation accessories app. So you can go to the official PlayStation website. So you can search in Google PlayStation accessory app. Here you can see PlayStation accessories. Go to the official website and then click on download for Windows. And once the download is complete, you can run this exe file. In my case, I already have PlayStation accessories app installed. Once installed, you can launch PlayStation accessories app. It's telling me to update. I will update later on. Now you have to connect your controller. Now, once it is connected, in my case, it's already up to date. So if not updated, you will see update option here, update option. So you can click on update, and once it is updated, now you can launch the game and then check. The last step is to use the wired connection. So you can connect your controller using the cable to the computer, and then you can relaunch the game and then check. And you can even once you use the wired connection, you can type in USB game set up USB game controllers. Type in USB game controllers in Windows search box and click on it, and then you can connect your controller. Go to the advanced option over here and select the controller which you want to use. So if you want to use Xbox controller, you can select Xbox controller and then click on OK and then check. If you want to use PlayStation, you can select PlayStation controller, click on OK, OK, and then relaunch the game and then check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to get the controller working with the game. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.